Workplace chaos? Forget about it once and for all. One powerful tool transforms team management into a perfectly synchronized process. Need to create a schedule? Done. Check productivity? Done. Optimize costs? Solved. This tool will help your business move faster than you ever imagined. Take a step into the future today and see how it works in action.
In the fast-paced world of business, managing human resources can often feel like a daunting task. That's where Namely comes in, a comprehensive HR software solution designed to streamline your HR processes, enhance employee engagement, and provide a seamless experience for both HR professionals and employees. But what exactly does Namely offer, and how can it transform the way you manage your workforce? In this video, we'll delve into the key features and benefits of Namely, uncovering why it's quickly becoming a favorite among businesses of all sizes. Namely is a cloud-based human resources platform that provides businesses with an array of tools designed to simplify HR tasks, enhance employee experience, and ensure compliance with labor laws. Founded in 2012, Namely has rapidly gained traction in the HR tech space, making it an invaluable asset for companies looking to optimize their HR operations. At its core, Namely is designed to help HR teams manage all aspects of the employee lifecycle. From recruitment and onboarding to performance management and offboarding, Namely centralizes essential HR functions. This comprehensive approach ensures that HR professionals can focus on strategic initiatives rather than getting bogged down by administrative tasks. Namely's user-friendly self-service portal empowers employees to manage their own HR-related tasks. Employees can access their personal information, request time off, view pay stubs, and enroll in benefits all from a single platform. This feature not only enhances employee satisfaction, but also reduces the workload on HR teams. Managing payroll can be one of the most complex aspects of HR. Namely simplifies this process with its intuitive payroll management system. The software automates calculations for salaries, taxes, and deductions, ensuring accuracy and compliance with local, state, and federal regulations. Additionally, Namely provides flexible payroll schedules, allowing businesses to choose what works best for them. Choosing and managing employee benefits can be overwhelming. Namely streamlines this process by offering a customizable benefits platform that allows HR teams to easily manage health insurance, retirement plans, and other employee benefits. Employees can explore their options and make informed choices through the self-service portal, promoting greater engagement and satisfaction. Performance management is crucial for employee development and organizational success. Namely offers tools to facilitate performance reviews, goal tracking, and feedback sharing. By creating a continuous feedback loop, Namely helps foster a culture of growth and development within organizations. With Namely, tracking employee time and attendance has never been easier. The software provides accurate time tracking features, allowing employees to clock in and out seamlessly. HR teams can easily monitor attendance patterns, manage overtime, and ensure compliance with labor laws, all within the same platform. Namely includes a built-in learning management system, LMS, that enables organizations to create and deliver training programs to employees. This feature helps businesses invest in their employees' growth, enhancing skills and driving engagement. Data-driven decision-making is essential for modern businesses. Namely, equips HR teams with powerful analytics and reporting tools that provide insights into employee performance, turnover rates, and overall workforce engagement. By harnessing this data, organizations can make informed decisions that drive success. Namely stands out in the crowded HR software market for several reasons. First and foremost, it's designed with the user experience in mind. The intuitive interface makes it easy for both HR teams and employees to navigate the platform. Moreover, Namely's commitment to customer support ensures that users have access to resources and assistance whenever they need it. Namely integrates seamlessly with a variety of third-party applications, allowing businesses to connect their existing tools and systems. This flexibility ensures that organizations can tailor the platform to meet their unique needs without disrupting their current workflows. Many businesses that have adopted Namely report significant improvements in their HR processes and employee satisfaction. HR professionals praise its user-friendly interface and robust feature set, while employees appreciate the self-service capabilities that give them greater control over their HR tasks. In a world where employee experience is paramount, Namely offers a powerful solution for businesses looking to optimize their HR operations. With its comprehensive features, user-friendly interface, and commitment to customer support, Namely empowers organizations to create a thriving workplace culture. Are you ready to revolutionize your HR processes and enhance employee engagement? Don't miss out on the incredible potential that Namely has to offer. If you found this video insightful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our community for more valuable content on the latest in HR technology and best practices. Together, let's unlock the future of human resources.